Hey, what's up everyone? I just changed the oil on 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I'm gonna show you how to reset your light. Okay, so once you're done with the oil change, you come inside the car. I'm just gonna say that I do need an oil change. There it is. So what you're gonna do now is turn off the car, and then you're gonna hit the start button twice again until it's on or run, and you're gonna hit the gas pedal 3 times, and it shouldn't say it anymore. There it is. It didn't say it. It made the noise. It's cleared. Now usually when you turn on the car, it also says it, just to double check. And the light is cleared, as you can see. So again, you press this twice, get to run. As soon as it's there, you hit the gas pedal 3 times fast all the way down, and that will reset your oil change required light. There you have it. That's for 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it works on most of the years. If I don't know how far back it goes, but that's how it's done. Thanks guys.